welcome back to another vlog.
We are on our way to experience something that normally you can only get in the Philippines around here, but finally it's here. We were walking down Granville Street in Vancouver and we passed the new Jollibee location and it smells like Jollibee.
So that's what we're gonna check out today, guys. So let's go and let's start our food trip. Area. There's still a lot of people behind us.
You pay when you go into the herd? Into the corral?
Yes. I spotted the pineapple juice. Can't wait.
Did you eat the peach pie?
Yeah, I ordered one peach mango pie. Just one.
2-piece burgers too.
I didn't even order spaghetti because there's just so much. I don't think I'll eat. Baby, I'm recording.
You get the Vietnam Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Look at all that Chickenjoy over there, baby. You didn't get any Jolly spaghetti?
No, I did not. I have 2-piece chicken because they don't have one piece, right?
Is that right, babe? I don't know what you ordered, so.
Chicken deluxe combo meal, 2-piece, yes.
Okay, menu item costs $27.64.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
My spoon and fork.
How many cents, ma'am?
2 sets, please.
Take it.
Thank you.
Hey, I'll put your straws in here. Take it.
I'll probably take that. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Heading back to the car. We have our Jollibee.
I'm sorry, you can't eat your Jollibee till we get home. It's an hour drive.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
It's an hour
I can
drive home. No Jollibee till you're home.
I can smell it.
Wait till you're in the confined space of the car.
Yeah.
And the Jollibee fries. Prognosis? Cold.
Is it?
Yes. But we've been driving, to be fair, so. But tasty still.
So what did you order, sweetie?
I got, apparently not available in the Philippines, the chicken burger.
Yes.
And you got what, baby?
2-piece Chickenjoy.
With gravy and rice. Smells like Jollibee gravy.
Smells like Jollibee gravy.
Of course, we have the famous peach mango pie, which, you know,
Ta-da!
we could not, ta-da, we could not go without. So that's for dessert.
That's for dessert.
First impressions of the Jollibee hamburger, because you can't, or chicken burger, because you can't get it in Cebu or anywhere in the Philippines, I guess. Yet, maybe you can. It's a damn sight better looking chicken burger than anything McDonald's or KFC comes up with. So it looks like a delicious chicken.
Looks like
Looks
real
a
chicken.
It looks like real chicken. It's nice and thick. So let's find out.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's good. It's juicy. It's flavorful. I have my new favorite chicken sandwich.
Is it really good?
Oh, for sure. Yeah. 100%. It's fantastic. It really is. It's very, very tasty. 2 thumbs up, Jollibee, for the chicken sandwich.
Tastes like home.
That's their first taste of home in Vancouver. Yeah, 2 more Jollibees opening up here soon, so pretty soon you won't have to drive all the way to downtown Vancouver for your Jollibee
Thank
fix.
you, Jollibee. Dip it on gravy.
mango bites are still warm. It's not hot, but still warm.
Still warm.
If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me.
Look at that filling. Oh my gosh.
If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. Run away, we're around the world together. So run away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line. Run away, we're around the world together.
Like nothing happens.
Come
See?
again.
You're leaving it clean. Like nothing happened.
You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line.
See the Oscar.
We can run the world.
Ay, naku.
We'll have to
We
come
can
down
run
again.
the world.
For the busker?
Yeah, for the busker, when we were walking.
Let's run. Oh, we can run the world.
Another loaded Jollibee.